Okay, we're going to try and prove the cosine rule here now, which says a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. And to do that, we're going to draw a circle around the origin, and we're going to make the radius of that circle just b units. So we're going to have a point here, b0. Okay, and the first thing we do is we plot a point on that circle. Anywhere at all, I always do it in that second quadrant here, just to try and exaggerate the triangle I'm trying to work with. And if I bring a line from that point back to the origin, well, the length of that line is b, and I can label this point out here b cos a. If this angle here, I'm going to call this angle here a. So b cos a, b sine a. Okay, so I have that so far. And to create a triangle, I'm going to get a third point, and I'm going to put it on the x-axis. I'm just going to call it C0, and I'm going to draw a line from my top point up there back to that point C0, and this is going to create me a triangle that I can work with. Okay, and as I say, I'm looking for a squared is equal to b squared minus 2bc cos a, and if you have angle A, then this is my side A up here. So I'm looking for that side there is really what I'm looking for. And I know the length of a side is just, well, in coordinate geometry, it's x2 minus x1 to be squared plus y2 minus y1 to be squared. Okay, and if I label up some points, I can call that x1 and y1. Up here, maybe x2 and y2 if you want. So then this, from here on now, it's just expanding algebra, a little bit of formula manipulation and tidying up. There's one bit of trigonometry in there as well. So it's b cos a minus c to be squared plus b sine a minus 0 to be squared. Okay, I'm going to stay expanding down, so square both sides to get rid of that square root. B cos a squared, b cos a by b cos a is b squared cos a minus 2 bc cos a plus c squared. So that's the expansion of just this first bracket here. And the expansion of the second one will just get me b squared sine squared a. Okay. Staying working down, I'm going to write this as a squared is equal to, well, I have two b squareds, so I'm going to factorize out b squared out of the two terms that have b squared. So it's cos a plus cos squared a even plus sine squared a. We're going to bring the c next, plus c squared minus 2 bc cos a. It's starting to kind of take form now, take shape. And just this last bit here now, there's a trigonometric rule in your log tables that says cos squared a plus sine squared a is equal to 1. So I'm going to let all that there equal to 1. So b squared times by 1 is just b squared. And that's what we're left with there. And we can write QED there just to say we're finished and it is solved. Okay, Karmagat.